From aluminum foil to a new car, savvy shoppers compare price for just about everything, judging whether one product provides better value over another. One major exception is routine health care. We typically choose doctors and hospitals without giving much thought to cost, largely because price information isn't readily available. But that will soon change thanks to a new state law requiring health insurers to provide cost information. And here to tell us more about it are Barbara Anthony, the Undersecretary of the Massachusetts Office for Consumer Affairs and Business Regulation, and Mark Spooner, President of Commercial Products at the health insurer Tufts Health Plan. And we say hello to both of you. Good to see you both.
Good to see you, Kim.
All right, so Barbara, I want to start with you. As a consumer, why should I be so excited about this new law?
First of all, your introduction was fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
You just educated everybody in Massachusetts. So beginning on October 1, as you said, there isn't anything else that you can think of that you buy, any other service that you obtain where you don't know anything about price or quality before you obtain that service. That's changing in terms of healthcare because come October 1, all of our health insurance companies, our good friend Mark here from Tufts and everyone, are going to have online for their members the price of the service, whether it's an MRI, CAT scan, whatever it might be, plus what your specific out-of-pocket costs will be. And if you have high deductible plans, some people $2,000, other out-of-pocket costs, it's very, very important for you to know beforehand so you can compare among providers price, and there are also quality tools available as well. So I am very excited. You know what? We are empowering healthcare consumers in Massachusetts.
All right, well,
long overdue.
Mark, let's talk about this because Tufts has already sort of put their plan in place before the deadline, which is October 1st. And you've brought some examples so we can take a look at how this will all work out. So let's take a look at the first page that you brought to us, and you can explain to us what we're looking at. And again, this will be for members of the Tufts Health Plan.
That's right. So the first place a member would visit is the welcome page, and we've branded our tool Empower Me, to quote the Undersecretary. This is about empowerment.
Thank you, Mark.
Sure. So on the right-hand side of the screen, you can see information about what an individual has spent year to date on their product, which is useful information. And then in the middle, you see a Google-like search bar that allows an individual to search for a physician, a specialty, or a procedure that they're contemplating receiving.
Okay, terrific. Let's take a look at the next page then.
So in this hypothetical example, the individual has said, I'm interested in seeing a dermatologist. And so the search pulls up physicians, dermatologists in their local area, and it provides this individual then with a choice. How would you like to filter this list of physicians? So you see at the top of the page, you can sort this list based on cost, based on distance from the individual's home or place of work, and based on the type of service that this individual would like to receive. And it narrows down then the list of physicians that have been returned in this example.
Terrific. Next page.
So then once the individual has selected their search criteria, this is the results page. So this individual has selected 3 dermatologists, and the first page then pulls up the important information about the cost of the visit to this dermatologist. And you see for the 3 dermatologists selected, again in this hypothetical example, you see what the cost of that service is, but importantly, then the tool then customizes the cost to the individual member. So the member knows based on their unique plan design that they've purchased in conjunction with their employer what their out-of-pocket costs will be.
Okay, very good. And then our final page here, give me a sense of this.
Sure. So if you scroll down the page, you see additional information that's presented about the physician's practice. So again, 3 physicians shows information about the physician's board certification, languages that they may speak. So it really provides useful information on cost and quality to inform that member's choice of service and provider.
So ultimately, will this have some kind of effect on healthcare costs?
Well, that's what we hope. The idea is that if you can compare physician visits, and again, whether a CAT scan, MRI, whatever the test might be, and you've got equal quality, let's say, what would you choose? Would you choose the more expensive or the less expensive? And we're hoping that consumers will opt for value, which would be a comparison, which would be the mix of price and quality. And you know, one of the things that we don't have to guess about this, because Mark knows, I mean, there have been surveys done, studies done in Massachusetts, something like 87% of the people sampled want this kind of information. Why do they want it? So they can be more in control of their out-of-pocket health care costs. And you know, there's nothing like a little competition to drive prices down. Lord knows, you know, we have high health care prices here in Massachusetts, and this is one means of inspiring competition and driving those prices down.
But Mark, do you have any fear that people equate quality with cost, so they'll immediately go to the more expensive provider?
Yeah, so certainly quality is an important dimension of how an individual decides what care to receive and from whom they should receive that care. What we feel we're doing as part of this tool is really giving individuals information. So we talked about the cost information, but we also make available quality information on our website. And so an individual then is presented with that data that allows them to make the right decision for them and their family. And that's what we feel we're trying to do.
Now, Mark, we want to make it clear to those who are watching. This is not available right now. You were just showing us a prototype, essentially. It's October 1st.
October 1st is when it's available through this automated tool. Until that point, individuals should feel free to call our great customer service staff, and they'd be happy to answer their questions on cost and quality.
Fantastic. Barbara, good to see you like
Great
always.
Great to see you always.
Thank you, Mark, very much for